Welcome to the world of Go Fast Manufacturing, where innovation meets precision. Let's take a quick journey through the cutting-edge realm of our trim saw machines, designed to reshape industries and unlock possibilities. From pallet boards that form the backbone of logistics, to aluminum door sills enhancing architectural beauty, and plastic building materials that shape sustainable futures, our trim saw machines redefine versatility. At Go Fast, we specialize in serving the wood and pallet industries, but our vision goes beyond. Our machines are built to tackle challenges, inspiring limitless applications across various sectors. Driven by a passion for excellence, we embrace challenges and embrace speed. Our mission: create, innovate, and go fast.